If you having 5 dark nights, I pray you have a sunny day. But it's okay anyway, cause them haters gonna hate. Taught at a young age, don't never let them see you sweat. You raise a bet, then you lose. Now somebody's on the news, that's bad news to the family. Somebody needs some counseling, these streets is real hard. Just sit back and watch and see. You keep your windows tinted so you can see out it, but they can't see in it. Cause at the end of the day, they promoting you. So don't speak unless you're spoken to. I wish every day could be like the 25th of December. Gentle, everybody caring about each other. That's why I stomp on the beat like I'm mad at it. You playing, I drop you just like a bad habit. And a wise man taught me, when life brings you lemons, you squeeze it all up and make lemonade. I'm glad Jesus made me hard-bodied, cause if I was soft, I'd been done crack. And that's that. Real rap. I might be a fun dude to hang around, but I got a soft side. And if you keep playing, you going down landslide. And if you thinking about running up, suicide, that's landmines. And this pain will go away in time. I'm just speaking what's on my mind, yeah. And I've been feeling this way for a while. A while, a while. I did this one for everybody who going through the struggle. All my misfits, everybody. Keep y'all head up. Y'all ain't alone. Just let the beat play.